Got it.
So this
Fantastic.
is about gut health. I inspire
Hmm.
everyone to eat very healthy, keep your
Hmm.
gut very clean.
Hmm.
If you are constipated, you can take regular enema. You can even go for regular colon, cleansing, which are like
Hmm.
full sessions of 5 liter water.
Right.
And I've had patients who have very old stuff coming out of their intestine, very, very old.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
intestines can store it in various pockets for, maybe 20 years ago you ate something, body couldn't handle it. All this stuff
Wow.
remains in your large intestine, and up
Hmm.
to even 3 kilo weight you can lose by just clearing all that stuff out of your system. So also the large intestine, there's a chart which has a representation of every organ of your body. There's a point for blood sugar, there's a point for liver, there's a point for kidney. So if
Hmm.
the old stuff is lying covering this area of your body, you're likely to get disease because that part is now not functional. Moment
Hmm.
all this stuff is out of your system, you take enema, or you also take colon hydration,
Hmm.
irrigation therapy, then suddenly you will see within few weeks the entire microflora regenerates, and you can
Hmm.
see the person's skin shining, because
Yeah.
now all the food that the person was eating is going into the body and is becoming whatever it is supposed to become. So
Hmm.
what is the gut health? Gut health is about eating, not just eating good food, not just eating good food. You should be able
Hmm.
to absorb it. You should be
Right.
able to digest it. You
Hmm.
should be able to assimilate it. And
Right.
finally, you must be able to eliminate all that is not required. If even that
Got it.
remains in your system, you're going to be in trouble. So this
Right.
entire cycle is very important for the gut health.
Hmm. And so every individual's gut is different. So what might suit me might not suit someone else. So person has to identify what is suiting them and their gut. How does one do that?
Absolutely. So, like a very simple thing, my nephew, his son became 6 months old. And there is a
Hmm.
process called as Anna Prashalan. So you give,
Hmm.
now introduce, solid grain food,
Hmm.
basically cooked food
Hmm.
from outside or whatever. Till then he was breastfed. So,
Yeah.
how you introduce one food at a time. Today, just
Hmm.
mango. Tomorrow,
Hmm.
maybe rice porridge. Next day, maybe papaya. So we say introduce one food at a time so that you know how his gut is taking.
Right.
Small babies, will pass stools. Either दूध पिलाया, उधर पेट साफ. 3 4 6
Hmm.
times a day, because the digestive fire, I call it as digestion power, is so strong. The food is
Hmm.
digested, eliminated. So
Hmm.
well it happens. As we grow up, we start doing it like once a day elimination and 4 times eating, and our system slows down. Our digestive fire slows down. So
Right.
each individual fire differs. And the most
Hmm.
important thing, that your food has to always match up to your digestive capacity. Someone who is
Hmm.
just recovering from an illness, I'm not
Hmm.
going to straight away say you start eating salads. The digestive
Hmm.
fire is quite weak. I'll say, let's start with some fruit juices. Let's start
Hmm.
with some soup. Very
Right.
simple, smaller
Hmm.
quantity. So each
Hmm.
person will be different. Some are allergic to cucumbers, they get burping. Some will say that I get hives if I, those have to be avoided for the time being, because the gut bacteria are forming some compound with this food and are irritating your system. So you have to wait
Hmm.
it out, till you get very healthy bacteria in your intestine, because they are doing very big job for you. They are digesting a lot of food for you, and then your
Hmm.
body is actually absorbing it. So you
Right.
have to have it in alignment.
Hmm.
uh, Introduce one food at a time, wait it out. You can also fast 1 or 2 days from certain
Hmm.
foods, wait and see.
Hmm.
I mean, yeah, have you ever heard somebody, allergic to tomatoes? I have heard, and then says
Okay.
suddenly they look up and say, oh, I eat that every day. I said, just eliminate for a few
Hmm.
days and see what happens. So we do
Hmm.
all these things as well.
Right. Wonderful. Doctor, there's a question. Uh, Hypothyroidism since 30 years, fatigue and indigestion, please suggest.
So this is kind of a very personal problem, but I
Hmm.
usually see it. in so many people. There's something called as metabolic syndrome X, which is a combination of thyroid, obesity, insulin resistance, uh, diabetes, and high cholesterol. So metabolic syndrome में ये thyroid is included. Now
Hmm.
entry point can be one disease, and then gradually you'll pick up all other. So
Hmm.
cause of all these diseases exactly the same. We say that,
Right.
you know, the thyroid or the diabetes is unsaturated, unhealthy, sorry, saturated, unhealthy fats coming from animal kingdom.
Hmm.
Dairy products are included if you are a vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
If you are a thyroid patient, pay attention that you might be consuming dairy products. Thyroid is hypothyroid of two kinds. One is just the regular one. The second one is autoimmune disorder. If it's
Hmm.
autoimmune disorder, then the treatment is different, because remember I earlier mentioned that gut microflora have to be restored. And if it's
Right.
just a plain simple hypothyroidism, I'm sure there must be some weight issues also along with it.
Hmm.
Also energy issue because you feel very tired, and
Hmm.
indigestion because what you eat is not
Hmm.
getting fully assimilated in your body. If you're eating refined salt with iodine in it, also be careful. That also
Hmm.
contributes. There is
Right.
also some other subtle energy stuff that I talk about. Thyroid is linked with the throat chakra. Throat
Hmm.
chakra is Vishuddhi chakra, which is chakra of purification,
Hmm.
detox in your body, and it is also chakra for communication. If your
Right.
head and heart are not in harmony,
Aligning.
and
Hmm.
you want to speak something, you can't speak, you suppress your creativity and your communication and expression, then you have hypothyroidism. So
Wow.
seeing it from various perspective,
Hmm.
also your food, also your interpersonal relationship, also the toxins in your food, your lifestyle, all of these are important.
Right.
We'll have to have a look at it and then
Definitely.
advise properly.
Uh, Nina Singh, you can definitely go on Dr. Rupa's Instagram page and just send her a DM, or we'll drop her email ID under this chat so people can really approach her and see how she can help you because she's one of the best in the industry.
Also,
So,
one more thing I want to say,
yeah.
that hypothyroid, you are not having since birth. You developed it later. And as I said, every disease comes with a lesson for us to learn. There's a reason for it. It has
Mm,
happened later on in life, and surely there's a proper story, proper
mm,
mistakes. Our body has tremendous regenerative and rejuvenating power.
mm,
24/7, our body is always healing. Silently, millions of cells are regenerating, and we have a new body every few years. So
right.
the body has tremendous healing power, but
Mm,
we human beings mess it up, we abuse it, we make big mistakes, and
mm,
when we do that, finally it gives up and says, अब मैं नहीं काम करूंगा. So you
right.
have one find a diagnosis, a diabetes,
Mm,
hypertension. So
right.
surely we've done something not in alignment. We need to sort
Correct.
that out, because we always want to treat the cause of the illness.
Right. Wonderful. Uh, yes, you can contact her on her Instagram page. We'll leave the email ID also up in this caption in the caption of this IGTV. Doctor, last couple of questions I have is how can we covered the gut and the immunity part through food and the holistic life approach, which has been beautiful learning for me as well. Uh, how can one have a disease-free body? I mean, I read somewhere that 90% of your diseases, chronic disease or any form of disease, start from the gut, right? And you link gut and immunity together. How, and there's a company in America working on gut health. It's called Viome. I was reading about their page as well, and their tagline says that uh, getting ill is an option. Like we treat the gut, so if you want to get ill, it's your option to get ill. So how does one have a disease-free body?
So for that, there is extremely important point. One of the biggest one that I have found is to
Mm-hmm.
practice huge awareness.
Right.
Awareness, being
Mm,
extremely aware.
mm,
What am I putting in my mouth?
mm,
That's one. But for example, there is a TV serial with a lot of
mm.
horror stuff in it. And
Oh,
if I watch that, what am I putting in my mind, in my
right,
emotions?
right.
That I get nightmares in the night about the same thing that I
Mm,
watched. What kind of
mm,
food am I taking? This is so
mm,
important. So I inspire people to practice a huge amount of awareness and
mm,
connection. We are not
mm,
separate from the whole universe. The
mm.
air that we breathe in is going to
Sorry.
become us. The
Mm,
water that we drink is going to become us. So we have to be
mm,
fully aware about what is becoming me. What is
mm.
outside is going to become inside.
Wow.
Now we have a
Mm,
choice. So become very aware of paying,
mm,
literally maintaining a health diary, paying attention. Don't eat things casually. Don't eat it unconsciously. Don't eat a
mm,
packet of some wafers. इसमें क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. Your every cell of your body has
mm,
memory. It's called as cellular memory. It
mm,
remembers. It remembers everything that you have eaten, every damn chemical that you have, come in contact with. It remembers. Your liver remembers. It's all there
mm,
recorded. Nothing
mm,
goes, just like that. So become very aware. Live a very
mm,
aware life. A life
mm,
of consciousness, very conscious, aware
mm,
about what you eat, what you eat. So finally, like this is what I say: what you eat, you become; what
mm,
you see, you become; what
mm,
you hear, you become; what you smell, you become; what you touch, you become; what you speak, you become; what you read, you become. Yeah, if you read a
mm.
good book, you become that.
Yeah,
Yeah, you write, you become
right.
that.
Wonderful.
So all of it is you
Mm,
become. So if
mm,
becoming, like for example, if a mom comes with her child and starts complaining, he doesn't do this, he doesn't do that. I say, hey, hang on, what are you talking? You feeding all this negative stuff to him. You are good. Hang on, he will become that. So become aware of what comes out of your mouth. What are you
mm,
seeing? Now, this is our choice. We need to choose health. We want to be disease free. Then you
mm.
put a wonderful picture of yourself doing maybe a great exercise or something
Right,
like that on your cupboard. And then
right,
each day you reinforce that pattern. That's me.
right,
Someone like
right.
me, I say, when I put a yoga mat on the floor,
Mm,
I stand on it and this is what I say, that this
right.
yoga, I'm not doing it for my today's health. I'm doing
Mm,
it like an investment so that when I will
mm,
be 100, I'll be still
mm.
fit.
Wow.
This is my concept. Then I
Wonderful.
start doing it and then I get into the exercises very beautifully
Mm,
because this is my investment for when I will be 100. So if you have
right.
that kind of long-term perspective, start investing now for your future, make your
Mm,
foundation, then you are going to be disease free. I'm already 59. I'm a
wow.
doctor, allopathic doctor, but many of my classmates are all taking medication. Many of my friends are out of shape.
I'm
They are
sure.
all like resigned, they think sabhi ko to dawai leni padti hai. I said, no, I
Mm,
will show you to
food
choose
is
health.
my medicine.
It is
Right,
our choice. So
right.
when we become aware and then you start taking the steps, I
Mm,
have a health diary. I write in it. I understand all about. If anything happens to me, I ask why. Why
mm,
this has happened to me? What have I eaten wrong? Did I eat very spicy food? That's why I have this. I immediately know it. So
right.
paying so much attention to my day-to-day
Mm,
health, as soon as something happens, I would want to find out a reason, correct it,
mm,
and transcend it. And then, like 365 days, I have 360 days of great health because I've chosen
wow.
to live a very aware
Wonderful.
life. And if I walk on the path, if your doctor is healthy, that doctor
Mm,
can inspire you and show you a life
totally.
without any medication, very
Mm,
healthy. And honestly, we don't need doctor. God has given us inner doctor, a very good
mm,
inner doctor who knows how
yeah,
to look after, who is very
right.
intuitive, who is very smart, very sharp, very auto correcting, very complex operation it can handle. and heal us. Why just
Mm,
not rely and trust that one?
right. Totally. Our body has its inner intelligence, as they say. Wonderful.
Absolutely.
I am inspired myself listening. This is one of my favorite sessions we've had till now, to be honest. So thank you so much for sharing all your knowledge and wisdom with us. Uh, any last thing that you want to say before we end this session on terms of any last tip of advice that, considering today's scenario and what the future holds, what any last messages you have for our audience right now?
So I have a very, very important message that we are not separate from the universe, neither we are superior. We are
Mm,
a part of this nature. So
mm,
do not play God. Nature is very intelligent. Remember, we are
mm,
only a part of it. And therefore, learn to live in harmony with nature, with every being in it, with the water, earth, the air, animals, and the plant kingdom. We
mm,
are also the earth, water, plant, animal kingdom. We are not separate. We are the
mm,
same. We are the
mm,
microcosm of the macrocosm. But if something goes wrong on the earth, on the planet, it's going to directly affect us. If you
mm,
kill those pests with
mm,
pesticides, your those
mm,
pesticides will kill us. If
mm,
you kill the gut bacteria with antibiotics, someday those antibiotics is going to kill us by having a
kill.
superbug. Every virus comes for a reason. It takes birth because we have done some mistake. Now let's own the responsibility for the entire thing and start whatever we learn from today and take a step. If all of us get
Right,
together and decide, then I think we will all transcend this current epidemic, and also the
mm,
future ones will not happen.
right, totally. Thank you so much for this wonderful session, Doctor, and this beautiful message. Really, really informative and really one of my most favorite sessions. So thank you so much for accepting our invite and sharing this knowledge with us.
Thank you, Harsh, for having me today.
Yes. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you. Have a lovely evening.
You too.